Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Together
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
So this is an introduction, Brad. We did a whole video series on everything you need to know about using TENS for pain relief. TENS is transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, which is
A mouthful.
And we don't want to off-put you that you don't want to see what it is. It's actually quite a simple device that can be used for pain control.
Right. So TENS is what it's called almost all the time, and it's as simple as that. So
Sure.
that's it.
So you want to see our series, the entire series, just go to our website, bobandbrad.com. You got to spell it the and out.
Oh, yes, Bob and Brad.
Yeah, and then go to under the heading, there's a program section, and under that you'll find TENS. We got one on sciatica too and plantar fascia right now.
And more will be coming.
Yeah, and this is, like we said, this is the introduction. When you see the list of the TENS units, TENS videos, just pick out the ones you need to watch. You don't need to watch all of them.
Right, because there's like 15 of them.
Yeah, I don't remember how many there are. There are quite a few.
There's quite a few.
Because we went over every body part too. So let's say if you're having trouble with your quad, we just did that, or your quadricep, we'll show you where to place the TENS unit pads. Or let's say you're having trouble with your back. I mean, we'll show you where to place the pads. But if you don't need to watch that. But you'll see by the titles which one are appropriate. Now, in addition to the videos, we also have what, Brad?
The PDF printout, which is a major deal. I mean, this is... I think it's so handy. You don't have to go back to the video if you can't remember something. Just use it, and you'll have your recall, the paper, and there you go.
So yeah, right by the description of the video, there'll be the printout.
Right.
That you can just use that instead.
No email address required. No nothing. It's
this is free.
Exactly.
We're not asking anything of you. We just ask you to watch the videos
and get pain relief.
Yeah, we do have sometimes, to be honest, Brad, we have sometimes affiliate links. Like, for example, we do endorse one sort of TENS units called the eye relieve.
Right.
And if you buy one of these TENS units through our link, you get a discount.
Right.
But we also receive a small amount of money, and this helps us keep the channel going. And you can please understand, we only pick out the best products. Brad and I have tried dozens and dozens of TENS units.
Yeah. We're happy with the eye relieve. We narrowed it down to 3 of their units. We think there's a less expensive kind of introductory one, another one, kind of the all around that works well, and then there's a high end that actually doesn't use leads. That one does cost a little more, but without the wires around, it's more convenient. So we offer, we talk about that one too.
Now I have to do something very dry here, Brad. I have to read the disclaimer. I'm going to read, at least summarize anyway. So we recommend that you see a physician before starting the series. Furthermore, this video series is not designed to replace the treatment of a professional. So if you're seeing a PT, physical therapist, or a chiropractor, listen to them.
Right.
They know what's going on. We don't. We haven't seen you.
Right.
So this is not a substitute for medical treatment. Any information to give out TENS is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you have. Never disregard any professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you've seen in our videos or read in this publication. So,
does that cover it, Bob?
I think that covers it. So, don't do anything wrong.
And we do have that video on precautions.
Yes.
For example, if you have a pacemaker, you're not going to use a TENS. And then there's a number of other ones that we go through. So that you can watch that video.
Don't put them on your eyes, the pads. You don't put the pads here on your neck.
Right.
There's a whole
if you're injury or have frail skin, that's an issue too.
So you can watch that video. You find it in the series.
Right.
All right, that should do it, Brad.
All right, nice work, Bob.
Thanks for watching.